Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got our hands on our first pair of the 700 V2s. We got this cream colorways and we're very excited to add it to the collection because we missed out on the original static colorway, and this sneaker is very similar to it, so we're going to be showing you guys how we style this on feet. And with the sneaker having a very similar vibe when compared to the static colorway, I know a lot of people are going to be interested to see how the sneaker looks on feet with multiple outfits. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video. The sneaker comes in your standard 700 box. It just says Boost on the side. And we got a size 9 because we like the sneaker to fit snug. And supposedly this sneaker fits better than the V1s. Initially, I thought this was a re-release or a restock of the original static pair. But I'm very happy that they decided to go ahead and drop this pair. I can see the similarities when compared to the static colorway. This one has a lot of similar materials and similar colors on the upper, but the slight difference is this cream color that they decided to add on this panel on the sneaker. Really adds its own look to the sneaker in my opinion, and the hints of 3M really adds a subtle design detail on this sneaker which really elevates this V2. Now with the 700 V1s being one of the most popular silhouette when it comes to Yeezys, we kind of neglected the 700 V2s. We just went straight to the 700 V3s because it had that futuristic vibe. But this one has its own characteristics that draw us to the sneaker. But the colorways that they were dropping in the 700 V2 were kind of boring in my opinion. So we were glad that they decided to go back and drop this look-alike static pair. Now I kind of get why we decided to go ahead and overlook the V2s in the past, because it doesn't really have like a standout feature on the sneaker except the 3M hits, and the colorways that I've released so far were just like very monotone, and the static colorway was the best colorway, and the sizing is a lot better on this pair because it fits true to size when compared to the previous 700 V1s and the V3s. The choice of materials that they decided to use on this sneaker is very high quality when compared to the V1s, which makes the sneaker a lot lighter than the V1s and the V3s. I think it's because it has this mesh material all around the upper. It makes it very breathable and very comfortable on feet. With the sneaker having this very monotone look, it's gonna make for some really interesting outfits because you could really spice it up and add some color, or you could like make monotone type outfits, which is gonna make the sneaker very versatile in multiple outfits. I think colors like olive or khaki will really go well with this sneaker and really accentuate the design of the sneaker. So we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. If you guys missed out on the initial static colorway, this would be a great alternative to add to the collection. So before we get to the on feet, please guys go ahead and leave a like on this video right now because it really helps the channel. It helps this video get out to more people, and helps the channel grow in general. So please guys go ahead and subscribe as well and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video. And guys, make sure you go ahead down in the comments and drop a comment. Tell us which outfit was your favorite in the on feet. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.